Analyze the data from Project Nova and update the schedule. Completed. Schedule updated. Good job. Too many. I can't keep up. Initiating automated workflow optimization. Wow, it's actually working. Analyzing current tasks. Prioritizing urgent items. Project timelines are adjusting in real time. Workflow optimization complete. The AI is predicting a delay in phase 2 of the Odyssey project. I'm seeing that too. We need to adjust resources. I can reassign some of my team to assist. Too much to do. Let's simplify. That's much better. Welcome home, Emily. Your schedule is clear. Would you like to try the miso glazed salmon recipe? Recipe loaded. Scanning ingredients now. Scan the ingredients in the fridge, please. Optimizing. Here's chicken and egg fried rice. Show me another option. How about shrimp scampi? Perfect. Generate a grocery list for that. The optimized route shows a 12-minute savings. Looks like we'll be home in no time, Character A. Together. Together.
Would you trust an AI boss?